Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial, which will explore the database called Opposing Viewpoints. We'll begin by navigating to the right library website, which is library.laroche.edu. And once you're on our web page, our home page, click on the word databases in the lower right of your screen, and you'll be taken to our complete set of offerings. Scrolling down through the list of database categories, you'll find that Opposing Viewpoints is under the Multidisciplinary tab, since it covers just about everything. We'll look at how to use this database in a moment, but the simple Venn diagram here explains what Opposing Viewpoints essentially does. The reason for showing you it now is to let you know to exercise some caution when applying what you find within the database. In short, some sources in the database are of high quality, and others might not be so advisable. That's up to your professor, naturally. But the bottom line understanding we want you to have is to know that Opposing Viewpoints is excellent as a research topic finder and knowledge builder. It comes with the bonus of having scholarly resources too. It's just that you have to be careful to only use the permitted types of resources determined by your professor. Okay, so it's back to our tour. And after clicking through to Opposing Viewpoints, you will likely be greeted with a login webpage. Enter your LaRoche credentials here, the same ones you use for Canvas, My LaRoche, and so forth. And now we're here at the Opposing Viewpoints website after being successfully logged in. When we scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll notice that the database is designed in a way that facilitates browsing for topics. So, from this standpoint, it's a great use for those who aren't necessarily sure of what they want to look into. For the sake of an example, let's say that we are a student in a computer science class and we've been assigned a paper on advanced computing in some form or fashion. Well, if you go down to the bottom right of the screen, without even having to work for it, we see facial recognition technology as something that will work for us. So we're going to click on that link. So as we scroll down, we see plenty of features all relating to facial recognition technology. We had a brief overview of the subject at the top, have a list of types of resources in the middle. In effect, it's collections of images, audio clips, and academic journals, etc. And at the bottom of the page, we have the snippets and thumbnails for all those resources. In this example, we'll look at scholarly articles to demonstrate what we can do with the resource once we found one that seems to fit our needs. Having chosen one of the articles Opposing Viewpoints has suggested, we see the article in full text. As is usually standard nowadays, we have the options to send this article to the cloud, send it by email, download it, print it out, cite the article in a few different styles, and even a little more than that. Remember, if you do like this article, you can check its sources as possibilities for getting other sources for yourself. This database also recommends other similar titles for that same effect. And on a last note pertaining to this database is that you have the ability to search for something specific. If you go that route, we recommend that you use the advanced search over the simple search, if only because it allows you to sift out unwanted results and the ability to key in on more desirable resources from the start. Helpful filters in the advanced search include choosing full text option, the peer-reviewed option, and a permissible date of creation/publication. Logical operators are also available and useful. To conclude, if you have any questions about using Opposing Viewpoints, please do feel free to ask us. Our contact information is listed on the library's website. Thanks.